Did you know that in certain parts of Christchurch, land is worth more than the house that it sits on? Are you one of those? The reason for this is there's a land shortage in Christchurch, and the other reason also is council planning rules have changed, meaning that the land that you live on could be worth more than what you think. Hi, my name's Collier from We Buy Homes, and we create win-win transactions from people we buy from. If you'd like to learn whether your house is worth more than you think, click on the link on the right to find out more. Now just imagine you get more for your house than what you think you're going to get. What would you do with that extra money? Would you upgrade your house? Would you build a new house? Would you buy a new car? Would you go on holiday? The choice is yours. To see if your house is worth more than you think it's worth, click on the link on the right. This could be the last time you see this video. Make sure you don't miss out. Fill out a couple of simple questions and we'll see you on the other side.